What happens if you put a soldering iron into water? We are using the T300B Soldering Station. And these for heating elements to test them out. See 115 first. Once put into the water, the power directly pulls full. The temperature drops quickly. It takes about 2 seconds to recover. Next is C to 10. The recovery time is less than 2 seconds. Next is C to 45. The recovery time is less than 3 seconds. Finally, the T12 heating element. It takes about 9 seconds to recover. What other challenges would you like to see next time? Comment quickly.